Why don't inner voices make good secret agents? Because they're terrible at keeping things quiet inside our heads. Indeed, as we navigate the complexities of life, it's crucial to pay attention to that inner voice of consciousness. This voice, often a reflection of our original energy and essence, can guide us back to our authentic selves. When we heed its whispers and awaken its power, it reclaims its strength and assumes control over our choices and actions. Consider the journey of Michael, who, over the years, had let the voice of his consciousness grow faint as he succumbed to societal pressures and the lure of materialism. He found himself immersed in a career that didn't align with his true passions and values. But the persistent whispers of his conscience never completely faded. One day, a moment of reflection led Michael to revisit his true desires and purpose. He decided to pay attention to the voice within, the voice rooted in his original energy and essence. As he did, a transformation began to unfold. The more he listened to his inner wisdom, the more empowered he became to make choices in alignment with his true self. It was as though his original energy was reawakening, and the power it held over his life steadily grew. With time, Michael found the strength to shift his career toward a path that resonated with his passions and values. He began to regain control over his life, guided by the voice of his consciousness, now revitalized and resolute. Michael's journey serves as a testament to the potential within us all. By paying attention to that inner voice, we can rekindle the original strength of our consciousness and reclaim our power over our own destiny. When we let our authentic selves guide us, we tap into the wellspring of energy and purpose that has always been within us, waiting to be awakened.